What I going to do is, yeah man, run come here and let's make some brown stew fish. As you can see, I have some beautiful parrot fish all the way from Jamaica. So I'm just going to season them and I'm going to brown stew. What I'm going to use to season is my Maggi chicken seasoning. So you want to make sure that you season both sides and also inside of your fish. So you're going to open up the fish. You're going to add some of the seasoning inside. So you can see the fish, them fishing, and me like that for me. So adding the Maggi chicken seasoning, and I'm adding some onion powder. I'm adding some Maggi all-purpose, some black pepper, and some paprika. I'm just gonna rub this in and make sure say you get inside of the fish and also in the incisions as well. Right, good. So the fish them are seasoning and me like that. As you can see, everything nice and seasoned inside of the fish, nice and seasoned as well on both sides. And we also get the incisions on both sides of the fish. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just fry these first, and then after we're gonna cook them down. So good as the oil is hot in, and as you can see, it looks very hot. I like that. So we're gonna do now, we're just gonna add our fish and let them fry golden on both sides. And then we're gonna remove them from the oil and we're gonna finish up. All right. Alright, good. So the fish them done fry. So as you can see, I have a pot here, and I just add little of the oil that I used to fry the fish to the pot, and I'm going to add some seasoning. So I have tomatoes, green onion, honey, and bell pepper, piece of ginger, thyme, and I'm gonna add a piece of hot pepper, and I'm just gonna saute this for 2 minutes before adding my fish. Alright, goodies, so now I'm going to add some water and the seasoning like that. So I'm just going to add some water to this now. Alright, goodies, so I add the water. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some brown sugar, about a tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm adding some ketchup. And I'm also going to be adding a pack of chicken noodle. And I'm using Grace chicken noodle. I'm going to add just a little dupes of browning just to give my fish some color. This is optional. There you go. Alright. Just stir this in. And then we're going to add our fish. I like how the gravy in. So good is me add some okra, and the okra them okra in. I like that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the fish. Them 2 big nice fish there. I like how them look. I'm not gonna cover this, I'm just gonna leave it just like that because I don't want them to, you know, spring too much water, but you can cover it down if you want. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave it to cook. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just, you know, kind of flip them over on the other side in about the next 5 minutes. So if you want to see the final result, stick around. If you have pumpkin piece of carrot, I don't know how you think set. Yeah man. Alright, goodies, as you can see, the fish them look nice. I like that. So let's go turn it off now and plate this up and make you see the beauty of this brown stew fish. If you're new here, hit that subscription button, like the video, share the video, leave a comment and let me know what you think about it, goodies. Okay, goodies, look at this beauty. The fish fishing, brown stewing, and me like that. Oh my, look at that. Wow. Awesome and delicious. Let me know if you will be trying this recipes, goodies. Okay, until next time, walk good, my friends.